Sleeper cars you don't want to mess with. There is something amusingly exciting about watching an ordinary-looking, dull car embarrass a shout supercar. Even if you know that they pack a punch, seeing the underdog take the win will always spark joy. We all know these unassuming fast cars are called the sleepers, and they are the automotive equivalent of stealth bombers, flying under the radar but full of power. Hey guys! Today, we are going to talk about some sleeper cars you should think of. They are slow. Because they are not. Are you guys excited? Okay, so let's dive into the video. But before we proceed, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any of our videos. Number 1. Cadillac CTS-V. The Cadillac CTS-V looks pretty much identical to the regular CTS. However, pop the hood, and you'll find the same engine as the Corvette, a massive V8 that produces a whopping 640 horses. This beastly engine is coupled to an 8-speed automatic transmission that sends all the power to the rear wheels via an electronic limited-slip differential. This formula makes for the perfect sleeper sedan that's capable of keeping up with supercars without even breaking a sweat. The CTS-V is a 4-door sedan muscle car, but it's also very refined and offers a relaxed and pleasant driving experience for those times when you aren't beating sports cars into submission every time the lights turn green. Number 2. Volvo S80. The Swedish manufacturer is known for producing safe vehicles. Most people don't know that the S80 is not only safe, but it's fast too. The car went into production in 1998 and lasted until 2016. Consumers who bought the 2007 model had an option between two engines. According to Car and Driver, consumers who opted for the 4.4-liter V8 engine, made in Japan by Yamaha, would have experienced 311 horsepower. The car reached a top speed of 166 mph. Considering the Swedish manufacturer is known for making simple cars that provide mediocre performance, the S80 is a superb vehicle. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz R63 AM. There aren't many minivans that serious speed freaks want to drive. In fact, short of backyard mod jobs, the Mercedes-Benz R63 AMG may be the only option. The exterior is sleepy. Some might say it's ugly, but those 4 exhaust tips quietly peeking out from under the huge rear bumper hint at that hand-built 6.2-liter V8s sending 503 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque to all 4 wheels. The whole soccer team riding in the back seats better be ready for some serious tire burns after every stoplight turns green. Number 4. Buick Regal GS. Buick is amid a long-term rebrand, one that has seen the company's average luxury sedans try to branch out from their elderly clientele base. The Regal GS is another attempt to create a bit more of a sportier driving experience, though its smooth exterior design still points more to features like massaging seats rather than overall performance. But with torque vectoring all-wheel drive, an aluminum V6 producing 310 horsepower and 282 of torque, and a 0-60 time of 5.4 seconds, the Regal GS falls into the sleeper category. Number 5. Kia Stinger GT. The Kia Stinger GT falls into the sleeper category strictly because the Korean manufacturer has spent so many years producing economical commuter cars. Sure, anyone plugged into the automotive news cycle knows about the Stinger GT, but most drivers on the road have no clue that beneath its skin lurks a serious sports sedan designed specifically to take on BMW M3, Alfa Romeo's Giulia Quadrifoglio, and a range of Mercedes and Audi options. With up to 365 horsepower and 376 of torque on tap, all-wheel drive, and paddle shifters, the Stinger GT is, without a doubt, the real deal. Number 6. Volvo V70R. No one pulls up to a stoplight next to a Volvo station wagon and expects to get burned off the line. And yet, the V70R that Volvo released in the early 2000s was a sleeper in a big way and dominated not even just when it came to straight-line speed. Today, the big station wagon, complete with just under 300 horsepower, a 6-speed stick shift, and all-wheel drive, can be found on the second-hand market for under $15,000. Not many sleepers offer better daily drivability with such a low-key exterior. Number 7. Audi A3 2.0T. Audi's smallest sedan, the A3, may seem like a budget-inspired marketing move as the company tries to expand their market presence, but with the right options boxes checked, it can be had in fairly sleepy spec. The A3 2.0 T-Quattro ups the game significantly from its lower output siblings, but without any of the exterior cues that make the S3 and RS3 look and sound so aggressive. And yet Audi's claims of 220 horsepower and 260 of torque are wildly underestimated in independent testing, and the car's low-end grunt gives it serious performance potential. Number 8. Toyota Tacoma X-Runner. On the outside, the Toyota Tacoma X-Runner only stands out from the rest of the model line because it looks to ride a little lower than a typical pickup truck. But the X-Runner was Toyota's attempt to join the growing body of street sport trucks, and features like stiffened suspension, 18-inch wheels, and a 6-speed manual transmission make it a true sleeper in pickup truck form. It even came with a limited-slip rear differential to help improve acceleration off the line and also create predictable handling and fun driving in tight turns. Number 9. Volkswagen Phaeton. The Volkswagen Phaeton may be a highly questionable vehicle from an engineering, marketing, and reliability standpoint, but there's no denying that the big sedan is a legit sleeper available for pennies on the dollar on the second-hand market. Exactly why VW wanted to produce a flagship sedan to compete with its own Audi A8L is a bit of a mystery, but it could be equipped with a 6.0-liter W12 engine, cranking out 335 horsepower. VW goal was to have the Phaeton able to run for 24 hours at 186 miles per hour. Though in reality, there's little chance of that being possible anymore. Number 10. 2008 Tundra TRD Supercharged. Toyota has long produced some stellar pickups, and their Tundras and Tacomas are loved the world over for offering solid performance as work trucks in a package that just about maximizes reliability and overall value. But even Toyota's most ardent fans probably don't remember the awesome 2008 Tundra, which came with an optional TRD supercharged trim that bumped output up to 504 horsepower and 550 of torque. Good enough for a 4.4-second sprint to 60 miles per hour, all without affecting the truck's factory warranty. 11. Dodge Ram SRT-10. The automotive world has seen plenty of high-powered pickup trucks, but none can match the Dodge Ram SRT-10 for all-out insanity. The SRT-10 shares its powertrain with the legendary Viper, including the 8.3-liter V10 engine and 6-speed manual transmission. With 500 horsepower and 525 of torque on tap, yet little in the way of exterior cues to differentiate it from Dodge's other, perhaps slightly more utilitarian pickups, the SRT-10 is a serious sleeper of a truck that packs a monster under its hood. 12. 2006 Mazda Speed 6. Mazda's only staple in the domestic automotive market has been the steady Miata, which has remained a tiny, rear-wheel drive sports car for more than 25 years. The early 2000s, especially, were a time when Mazda tried to branch out with a few more sedans, as well as the RX-8 with its rotary engine, but no one took the model seriously. That kind of inattention only makes the Mazda Speed 6 more of a sleeper, however, and its turbo inline-4, 6-speed manual transmission, and all-wheel drive layout seem totally out of place for the brand. And that's for today, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family too. If there is one of your favorite cars, share them with us in the comment space below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see even more of our incredible videos. You can also check out our other videos that have been specially selected for you. We'll catch up in the next video.